I'm Emily. Welcome to our menstrual cup factory, where we craft safe, comfortable cups from premium medical-grade silicone.
The analysis confirms the purity levels are within tolerance.
And the chemical tests show no contaminants.
Batch 7 is approved for release.
As you can see, the viscosity data is well within the acceptable range for the medical grade standard.
Good, the certifications are all updated. Let's approve this for production.
We have a downward trend on the filtration efficiency.
Adjust the parameters immediately. Raise the temperature by 5 degrees.
Confirmed. The levels are stabilizing now.
The dermal irritation index is well within the acceptable range.
Noted. I'm logging the cytotoxicity data now.
The temperature is stabilizing at 180 degrees Celsius.
Looks good. Curing cycle is nominal.
Monitor the humidity levels in sector gamma. We have an anomaly.
Rerouting the coolant flow now. It should stabilize.
Stem length is within tolerance at 32 millimeters. Flexibility is also good.
Okay, noted. Approved for batch sealing.
The temperature needs to be adjusted by 2 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Parameters updated and locked.
Check the sterilization cycle on panel 4. The pressure seems low.
Adjusting the parameters now. Looks good. Verified.
Check the humidity spike on line 3. It's exceeding the threshold.
Adjusting the steam flow now. Levels are stabilizing.
Look at this data point on the durability screen.
That's within the acceptable variance, but let's monitor it closely.
All the tensile strength readings are well with tolerance here. And the sterilization indicators look good. All right, let's approve this batch.
All parameters are within tolerance. The green indicators confirm it.
Yes, the stability data looks good for release.
Excellent work, team. Let's approve this batch.
Checking the seal on this batch now. Looks good. All right, let's get these moved to sterilization.
Everything clear on this side. Same here. Keep them moving.
The new shipment of Lola has just arrived.
I'll start unloading them now.
Perfect, we needed those for the display. Thanks for watching. We deliver safe, quality menstrual cups with care. Like, share, and subscribe.